Hello. I'm going to be going through a walkthrough today of how we use Wireshark for downloading a video off Ustream. This presentation will just take place of kind of just going over the basics of how the actual program looks and how we're going to use it to download this file off Ustream. So first thing we got to do is we got to get our interfaces set up for this. We need to know which interface to use to start this capture. As you can see, we have a couple choices. We have some Ethernet style ones, which you can see a little icon right there. And then we have the airport style ones. This is a wireless connection. As you can see, it's our IP currently right there. We're getting active packets from it, that source, so we can go in the options. We don't have to change many options in here. I'm just want to go over some of the options very briefly. We can set, as we covered in this presentation already, there's files that we can actually use Wireshark to crack passwords. We can use it to basically, as if it's running in promiscuous mode, if there's nearby computers on a wireless network, we can use it to intercept the packets that are sent that contain pass information through TCP protocol, and we can use it to decode them and just look at the packets and see username, password, and we can use this to log into accounts. We can also limit the packet files to a certain size. This allows us to find certain packets if we know what size they're supposed to be. We can use multiple files to store this here. It shows you where it's going to divide these files. We can set a certain capture point after one packet, megabytes, how many minutes, and then we can display the display options, how it updates these in real time. We're not going to change any of these settings, so all we're going to do is go back to capture, back to interfaces, and we're going to start a capture with the EN1 interface. We're going to start it. As soon as we start it, you're going to see that it loads up a bunch of IPs, the source IP, the time we intercepted this packet, the protocol it used, the destination IP, the info. We can see info such as pinging of IPs, who has 192.168.0.1, and it's basically saying that we told them that our information about our IP. There's Dropbox, LAN, Sync, Discovery Protocol, application data. It kind of gives information on all these. So anyway, we see all those. What we do is we go to Ustream, and we go to Ustream, and we're going to load this video up real quick to show an example how this works. So it's loading the video right now. We're probably getting a tremendous amount of packets. As you can see right here, the packet number is going up tremendously. So this video is loading up. We can pause the video now. It's got enough of the video that we know that's the case. We're going to stop the capture. We'll stop the capture. You can see we have all these packets now. We have 5,871 packets, as you can see right here. We're going to go to File. We're going to export these as a plain text file. We can also do XML or other ones, but I find the plain text file to be the easiest to use to the edit find command on. We select that. We have it set to it's going to save right here over this file. We're going to select all packets. If we wanted to find one packet only, we could select one packet only. We can specify a range of packets we work with. We'll make sure we pick packet bytes to show we add a hex dump of this packet data, because this is where we find the URL for the video link. So we're going to select packet bytes. We export it. We're going to reopen this file now. As you can see, we have all this information here. We're going to open up another internet browser. We're going to open up Chrome real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to look through here. We're going to do an edit find. We're going to find ourselves the .flf files in this video. And here we go. We got one right here. HTTP, this one. Copy it over. We have to do it this way because since the hexadecimal things are right next to it, it'll copy those over. We don't want to copy that over. So we go line by line, just copying this code over. The URL over, which can get a little tedious. Copying the last little bit over right here. And if this is a correct URL, it'll take us to a video download. And as you can see, we have a video downloading right here. It's a 446 megabyte video. It's had 13 minutes left. But hypothetically, if we were to sit here and let the whole video download, we have a video we can watch of the video we were just seeing on Ustream. And it's a Flash video. What we can do is get some simple converter software and convert Flash to a .mov or .mpeg file or whatever file you prefer to view. And that, my friends, is how we perform a video download off Ustream's video using Wireshark. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.